Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to tell you a story about a little girl named Sarah and her magical kindness jar. The story will not only warm your heart but also help you improve your English. Listen carefully to learn new words and expressions. Ready? Let's begin. Sarah was having a terrible day. Her best friend Emma didn't share her crayons. Her teacher scolded her for talking in class, and now she was walking home with a heavy heart. Nobody is nice to me, she thought. When she got home, her grandma noticed her frown and asked, "What's wrong, sweetheart?" Sarah sighed. "Everyone is so mean today." Grandma smiled and pulled out an empty jar. "Let's make a kindness jar," she said. "Every time someone is kind to you, write it down and put it inside. Soon you'll see how much kindness is around you." Sarah wasn't sure, but she decided to try. The next day, Sarah paid close attention. Her mom packed her favorite sandwich for lunch. Kindness. A classmate helped her pick up her dropped books. Kindness. Even Emma apologized and shared her crayons. Sarah wrote each act on a small piece of paper and dropped it into the jar. After a week, the jar was half full. Sarah realized she had missed so many kind moments before. One day, she even added her own kindness. "I helped my little brother tie his shoes." Grandma patted her shoulder. "Kindness grows when you give it to," she said. By the end of the month, Sarah's jar was overflowing. She wasn't sad anymore. She felt happy and grateful. The world is full of kindness, she thought. I just needed to look for it. When we focus on kindness, our hearts become lighter. Try making your own kindness jar. You might be surprised how much love is around you. Thank you for watching and listening to Arun Vashisht. Please let me know in the comment section below. How did you find this story?